Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Matt. Today we're going over the Tears of the Kingdom Decayed Master Sword. I 3D printed this sword last week and I am in love with this model. So today we're going to go over how I printed this sword and how you can paint it. I printed this model at about 88% because that's what my print could handle. And I am 6'3", and it fits I got pretty decent hands. And it fits my hand just well, so I think I could have gone down, even 85, 80, and it would have been just fine. But the smaller you go, the greater that reduction is going to be. Gray to silver isn't much of a transition, but here it is. Those paints are non-expensive paints, stuff that you can easily find on Amazon, and I think it makes it look great. It gives it that metal finish and almost that magical feel.
See you, I don't wanna hear you tonight. I don't wanna fight you. You don't wanna know if I feel alright. I don't wanna just forgive you, I just wanna be fine. I'll be waiting for a sign to light up, yeah. And your heart is out of sight. I just wanna feel mine.
With pieces as small as these, sometimes it's just easier to pick up, and that's why we wear gloves. I left out applying the tape, but it's pretty simple. You just mask over the parts you don't want painted, cut away the tape with an X-Acto knife.
I don't wanna know what you think. I'm the one you go to.
Now it's time to start gluing.
I don't wanna just forget you, but I wanna be fine. I'll be waiting for a sign to light up, yeah. And your heart is out of sight. I just wanna feel mine. Hey you, I could become the one for another one. Hey you.
In all honesty, I didn't glue this part. The grips in the handle have such a tight tolerance, I couldn't even get it off if I wanted to.
Maybe then you'll know that I was never one. I'm gonna be the one for another one. I don't wanna fear you tonight. Fight you. You don't wanna know if I feel alright.
Removing the tape, there's definitely going to be some parts that might have been missed or the tape covered, so you're going to want to go back and do a little bit of touch-up.
Tell me if you're hurt and I'll be there. Carry you away to the promised land. Feel your heartbeat and don't be scared, 'cause I'll be there, yes I'll be there. You and I, we can fly anywhere you wanna go. Find a place we can hide, we can make it on our own. All along for the ride, to the stars just follow. You and I, side by side, dancing in your halo.
As you can see, the gold paint doesn't have a ton of pigments and it's pretty thin, so it's going to take a lot of layers to get the look that we want. But that's alright, because each layer hides the brush strokes. This has been by far one of my favorite prints that I've ever done. The painting was super easy. The printing process was really easy with resin. There's little to no sanding required. So it's print, clean, cure, and paint. The files are really easy to find and free on thingiverse.com. I will post the link in the description. If you have a resin printer or access to a resin printer, I highly recommend printing and painting this if you're a Zelda fan. I just need to find out how I'm gonna mount this. I hope everyone's enjoying Tears of the Kingdom. I know I am. Thanks for tuning in today, everybody. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give a like and subscribe. To give a little preview or sneak peek, the next video will be the full Master Sword, where we combine FDM's affordability with Resin's detail. Hope to see you next time.